All right, so in this lesson, we're going to learn about the sound. And we're going to start our class by revising these two sounds that we learned last time. So these two sounds are s, the snake is in the grass, and ants on my arm. S, the snake is in the grass, and ants on my arm. All right, so right here we have the t sound. As you can see, it's a tennis game. Okay, tennis, all right, tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. All right, so I want to tell you a story about this sound. All right, please listen carefully. All right, so some children go to a tennis match. Okay, they go to a tennis match. Each time the racket hits the ball, it makes a t noise. The game is very exciting. The people in the crowd turn their heads from side to side, watching the ball. The children go home and play tennis too. All right, so this is the story of the t sound. Okay, all right. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. All right, now I want to teach you a method on how to write the t sound, the lowercase. So the way we write the lowercase t, we start at the top, okay? And we go all the way down for the tail right here. Then we go one line to the side. Just two steps, okay? Number one, start at the top, go all the way down for the tail. Number two is one line to the side. Great. Now I want you to prepare a piece of paper. All right, prepare a piece of paper like this one and a pen, and let's do the writing, okay? The letters blending. I want you to write these sounds, write them down. So okay, so I want to tell you three sounds and you can form a word. Okay, all right, so let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first word, three letters, three sounds, one word. S, a, t. All right, one more time. S, a, t. Okay, can you tell me what's the word? It's sat. Sat. All right, sat. Great. So the word is sat. Perfect. Okay, sat. Right here, sat. Okay, sat. Sat. All right, and the next one is two letters, two sounds, one word. At. At. Okay, at. Great. Sat. At. Okay, sat at the table. Okay, he sat at the table. Great. Perfect. Okay, here let's look at some words that contain the t sound. The first one is tennis. Okay, tennis. All right, and this one, does it contain the t sound? Sun. No, it doesn't contain the t sound. And the next one is tent. Tent. Okay, tent. We use tent. We usually use tent for camping. Okay, camping. If you want to go camping, you need a tent. Tent. And the last one is an animal, which is tiger. Okay, tiger. All right, let's review these words again. Tennis, tent, tiger. Okay, tennis, tent, tiger. Perfect. All right, here we have these sounds that we learned. S, a, t, s, a.
When I watch a tennis game,